Closing arguments have begun in the sexual assault trial of 5 former World Junior hockey players. They've all pleaded not guilty. The complainant in the case is referred to by the initials EM. Megan Fitzpatrick has the latest from outside the courtroom, and a warning, some of you may find the details of this disturbing.
The 5 defendants make their way into a London courthouse for what is expected to be the last week of a lengthy and complicated trial that began in April. Closing submissions got underway today, and it's the lawyers for the defendants who are going first. Michael McLeod, Alex Formanton, Carter Hart, Dylan Dubé, and Cal Foote have all pleaded not guilty to 1 count each of sexual assault. McLeod is facing a second charge of being a party to a sexual assault. His lawyer, David Humphrey, was the first defense lawyer to make closing arguments. He told Justice Maria Caracia that the Crown's case hinges on the complainant's testimony. She's known by the initials EM, and he called that testimony flawed. She's a witness with an entirely unbelievable and unreliable version of events, Humphrey said. He argued that EM created a false narrative of what happened in the early hours of June 19, 2018, because she was embarrassed and regretted the choices she made. It suited her purposes to present herself as a victim rather than take responsibility for those choices, Humphrey told the court. At the core of this case is the question of consent. When EM testified for 9 days, she said she had consensual sex with McLeod when they first got to the hotel, but was then surprised when other men came to the room, and that she did not consent to these sexual activities that followed. Humphrey argued that EM was a willing participant. Carter Hart's lawyer Megan Savard made a similar argument when she began her closing submissions. Hart was the only defendant to testify during the trial, and Savard urged the judge to view him as a credible witness. Her client obtained unequivocal, communicated consent to oral sex, Savard told the judge.
We believe EM.
Supporters of EM were at the courthouse today chanting, "We believe EM," as the defendants passed by them.
You know, survivors should never be blamed for their own assault, and you often feel really alone when you've gone through something as horrific as sexual assault. So showing that, you know, people believe you, people support you, and you're not alone is really important to help people get the support that they need.
These closing submissions are expected to take several days. Once all the defense teams are finished, it will be the Crown's turn to make their final arguments. Megan Fitzpatrick, CBC News, London, Ontario.